Hi guys, how's it going? Hey, here we go. No shave, no midweek shave this week. A little bit under the weather, nothing serious, but just had other things going on as well with my birthday, my grandson's birthday, some family stuff, and being a bit under the weather. I thought best not do a video. I'm looking forward to doing one on Saturday. Now, I came home today. It's throwing it down outside. It's dark, it's cold, it's miserable, and a bit chesty. The chestiness is going, and a bit of a headache. The headache's going. I'm feeling better than I felt. And I came home. What did I come home to? I came home to this. A lovely gift from Graham at Mr. Murray's Gentleman Products. He sent me that beautiful card with a beautiful handwritten note, and I won't read it, it's private. Thank you, Graham. I'm going to go and write him a message after and thank him in person, so to speak. But I thought I'd do the unboxing and share it with you, and I've been dying to show you my new. I got my new glass, look. I got my new from my grandchildren for my birthday last week. I haven't used it yet. And I can't remember who it was. I think it may have been Samantha that bought me this. Happy birthday. This beer. So, and guess who bought that? Yo, Philly. Johnny bought that when he went. Oh. Johnny bought that when he went to Philadelphia. That's a fridge magnet. There you go. So we'll take that off. I'm absolutely parched. I've no idea what to expect with this, but it's going to be good, isn't it? This glass is a 600ml glass now. I don't know if you know, I think there's 568ml in a pint. So it'll hold a pint and then some. Take that out. Are we ready? Oh, that's nice. 4% alcohol, light, crisp ale. Very, is light, is crisp, and very malty. So here we go. I thought I would share with you what Graham had sent me. I haven't bought many new soaps in the den for a while now. You've just got to be selective with your money. You could go daft and buy everything, couldn't you? I'm saving up for a holiday, saving up for birthdays and various other things. Yeah, but so Graham's gift is very, very timely, very, very welcome and very much appreciated. Thank you, Graham. Here we go. This one, let's have a look. All absolutely beautifully packaged. And I will keep these little bags because I'm doing a giveaway myself at weekend. Or kind of, and I'll use these little bags myself, maybe to wrap stuff up in. Come on. Oh, how on earth did he get that in there? What's this one? Asgard's Casino Irish Coffee. Check this out. Let's have a sniff. That smells absolutely beautiful. It really, really does. We've got that one there. And I think these all come with matching splashes. I will show you the splashes now. I think this is from Graham's new line. Look at this one. The bags are ripping. They're a bit tight. There you go. Pina colada. Arriva. Johnny likes pina colada. Look at that. Absolutely. He's got these scents absolutely spot on. Graham sent me some samples a couple of years ago. The stuff that was coming, and he wrote the names on the top of them, and his scents were absolutely spot on. So go and check out. I'll leave a link to his website underneath this. Please go and check out the stuff. Amaretto. Go take it out of the package on. So once again, thank you very much, Graham. Look at that. Look, I think he said these labels were based on casino chips. Look, Asgard's Casino. And they are based on casino chips. There you go. Ooh, look at that. That looks beautiful. Oh, that. Oh, that reminds me of something. That reminds me of something like a dessert, like a sweet, like It reminds me of something that I've eaten and I can't think what it was, but it smells absolutely beautiful. Amaretto. There you go. That's it. And I think he's put the accompanying splashes in. There you go. Shall we get them out? I have to open them anyway. Some people don't like unboxings. I like watching unboxings, and I like doing unboxings. I like to give show the full gratitude. There's a pina colada. Absolutely. So we've got some nice shaves. I'll tell you what would you like to see me use first? If you go under this video, and if you feel so inclined to leave a comment, the one that gets the most nods will be the one that I use on the Saturday shave. Because as we sit here right now, it is only Thursday afternoon. I've got another parcel arriving. Where's that coming from? Amazon, yeah. My mind. There you go, Amaretto. Really looking forward to using these. Thank you, Graham. Good health to you and your family. Slanjavar. Go and give Asgard's Casino a look. I'll put the link under here. And let me know in the comments what you want to see me use, and I will use it Saturday. Thank you to everybody. Have a wonderful rest of the week. And I will see you on Saturday. I don't know what time, but I'll see you on Saturday because I'm in need of a shave. Bye.